to have very serious bipartisan talks so that they can be able to revamp the stalemate of the maandamano, because we know the same comes with loss of lives and property. We are aware we have lost billions of money, close to about 9 billion for the two consecutive protests we've had on Friday last week, on Friday and Wednesday last week. So I want to stand with the clergy and say that the president should tone down and should not take this political move by His Excellency, the Right Honorable Raila Odinga, because Raila Odinga is a representative of the citizens of this country. And rallying the people behind advocating or proclaiming the antagonism from the government so that they can be able to think about on how to bring reprieve on the cost of living. To Right Honorable Raila Odinga, we applaud you, but essentially I will seek that Odinga to give a media address to the citizens of this country who are disgruntled on the cost of living, to do a peaceful demonstration. It is very clear that Article 37 always is what gives us the power to go and picket, demonstrate, and assemble. In the same principle, I request the Azimio-led alliance to call upon a peaceful demonstration to the Governor Kisii County, who was sworn in to stand for the people of Kisii. As we proceed to maandamano, I want to remind him that we had 6 lives, which most of them have not been buried, and there are a number of casualties who are nursing wounds and very serious bullet injuries in hospitals. I request that those bills should be footed because the governor is there to stand with the citizens of Kisii County.
Maandamano is essential, but we should do maandamano in a very peaceful way because we don't want to lose lives.